gathering round as well, you guys. Let's get you all in as we get ready to turn on the lights in Canterbury for 2019. Okay, we want to hear you cheering. We want to hear you screaming. And I think if we're ready, we want to hear you counting.
Yes, let's do this. Let me get a start of the countdown, please. Beautiful, beautiful thing.
We're going to take it from 10. We'll take it from 10. It's traditional. We'll take it from 10. After me, 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Oh, happy Christmas! Oh, isn't it beautiful? All those lights! Climate crisis! What climate crisis? That's lovely!
Do you know what? Gary's looking up at the Christmas lights almost as adoringly as he's looking at Mother Goose this evening. Aren't they beautiful, Canterbury? 5 miles of Christmas lights we've got here in Canterbury city centre. So shall we hand over to our band to get us really feeling festive?
Yeah, we don't want any of you to go anywhere though, because for those of you who were here last year, you know that you have to know the words to this.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lloyd Holly!
It's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and we banish shade. Who wants? In our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world.